I know you saw the thumbnail. Go get this wig. Go get this wig. Pick a color, any color. Pick the rainbow if you want to. Go get this wig. Like, just go get it. Go ahead and check out somewhere, some cart, and then come back to this review. Go ahead. I know you want to. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead. I see you. Come back to this review. All right? Bye. Okay. Hey, love. So I'm back again with another wig review. It's not the wig that I'm wearing. No, it's a different wig because I just reviewed this wig, and if you haven't checked it out, please go ahead, girl. Just go ahead and check it out because you know you want to anyway. You nosy. You want to see it. So, anyways, the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today is the popular Miss Jocelyn. Okay, and she is in the color T4 Mauve. Now, this wig is not new to me. I've worn her one time already before, but I believe that she's one of those, you have to match the makeup to look cute in it. So we're gonna see what she's talking about this time around. Okay, we're going from purple to mauve. Okay, we doing it all tonight. Okay, so stay tuned for this wig detail. Okay. Alright, so as stated, this is Sensation whatever, Jocelyn in the color T4 Mauve. And this is the stock card, so you can go ahead and order her. And now I'm just taking out all of the packaging that comes included with this beautiful wig. Since I wore her before, the lace is already cut, but she does come with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and an adjustable strap. You just have to do without. Look at that part, sis. Look at that part. Yes. Baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think this color is giving me all the vibes today, sis. All the vibes. Like, this color? Guess I'm not into you. Sis shares a little bit, but I mean, it's all good. I hear share too. Right here, I'm just finger combing her and styling her to my liking. That part though, that part. This right here is just extra because sis was looking good. Like, sis was doing me justice, even with my little widow's peak. So I'm just being extra. Also, this wig does come with baby hairs. I'm just not a baby hair girl. By now, y'all knew I was going to try and shift sis to the right, but I actually didn't like it. And that's the first for me because I'm not a middle part girl, but back to the middle she goes. It is your full 360 length of this wig. I'll show you the side view. I'll show you all the hair to the back and again to the front. She's about 18, maybe 20 inches on me, and I am 5'4" for reference. And this is pretty much my final results. Like, sis was lit. She did all the work for me, really. Alright, so this was a very easy slay. Like I said, I wore this wig before, so it wasn't like I had to go in and go all super hard on in the paint, you know what I mean? Like, the part was already good and everything was already to my liking. I mean, I like my hair behind my ear on one side. I don't know. I feel like it just shapes my face. I don't know. Anyways, we'll just leave it alone for now. Let's get to the density. The density is perfect for this kind of length. I'm loving these layers. Like, these layers shape long faces. Okay? Like, I be needing it. Okay? So, the layers are bomb. This color is so bomb, but this is definitely like, I mean, I don't know, maybe it's up to you, but for me, this is like a birthday slay, Las Vegas slay, New Year's Eve slay. I'm finna get fine on these hoes and ain't nothing they can say about it slay. Can you say hoes on YouTube? I don't know. You just want to go out and be extra because, like, we be extra, but you want to be extra. But anyways, like I was saying, this is a light yaki texture. It is a very, I'm not real skimpy on a density thing. Like, it's a very good density. It's big head friendly. That's for sure, because man, I can turn this thing even with a wig grip on. That says a lot. Okay, so if you got a big head, Come on, sis. You can come through too. You can get this slay too because it's big hair friendly. And yeah, I mean, first of all, like I mentioned before, sensational, whatever, however you say it, is one of my favorite wig brands. So I trust their brands. Like I have sensational wigs that last a long time. They did their thing on this color. They did their thing on this color. Yeah. So, you know, if you like it, go get it. Oh, honey, don't even let me forget to tell you. She come in a whole bunch of colors, okay? So if this ain't your thing, she got mustard. She got green. She got some type of ash pink, you know, all that type of stuff. I'm always forgetting stuff. I'm gonna have to write me a list down about what I'm supposed to say about these wigs because I know there's people out there that really care. Okay, so she come in teal, periwinkle if you feeling periwinkly. Okay, she comes in pine, mustard, vintage rose if you feeling vintage rose. Okay, T4 613 if you want to, you know, the trendy blondish color right now. T4 ash gray, T4 dusty rose if you dusty. Anyways, and T4 Mauve. And she has three-way parting. Most important part about the wig. Wait, you can't see it anyway. She has three-way parting, so that means she could be shifted anyway and still be the same length. So as you seen, because I'm a right part girl, I slid her to the right and she was still good. And you can spot her back to the middle. She gonna be the same length anyway. Hold on, let me stand up straight because y'all know y'all be quick to call people out. She gonna be the same length anyway and she gonna look good, okay? So I'm pretty sure she heat safe, but the box don't really include all of that. But it do tell you how to take care of it for my sisters who don't know how to take care of wigs. But I'm gonna go and I'm gonna leave y'all with this slay, okay? And y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. Y'all feeling this wig? You want this wig? I ain't wearing it nowhere but to the stove. Alright, so I'm gonna get out of here. If it's something I forgot to include, I'll just write it in the description box because yeah, it's almost midnight, so.
Saw your name on my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going back and forth cause we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some good shit.